Glad to see you. If you thought that you've seen everything in Portugal, wait until you discover a factory where the river literally flows through the building. The toilet paper becomes a canvas for art, design and bold innovation. Welcome to Renova in Torres Novas, a place where the ordinary is transformed into the extraordinary. Nestled in the area just outside Torres Novas, Renova is far more than a paper company. It's 100% Portuguese brand that's been reimagining everyday essentials since 1939. But the story goes even deeper. Records show that Renova watermark was used in early as 1818, right here, where the Almonda River emerged from the underground caves. You'll find products that defy expectations. Toilet paper in bold colors like black, red and green, napkins you can personalize with your own designs, and packaging that is stylish and it's sustainable. Their motto, even the useful things must be beautiful. Renova is also known for its daring marketing, like the now iconic Renova Black, the world's first black toilet paper which turned heads globally. Their creative spirit extends to the art installations, collaborations, and even the Sexiest we see on Earth in Lisbon, blending design, music and fragrance into the immersive restroom experience. Have a look on this PC. So this is really a piece of art. The mirrored glass gives you the feeling that someone might be watching, but it's bold, playful and definitely unforgettable. Highlight of the star is the Sexiest Paper on Earth advertising campaign, which redefined how we see everyday products. Bold, sensual and artistic photographs from the campaign adorn the store's walls, turning them into a gallery that celebrates the fusion of functionality and flair. These images aren't just decoration, they're a testament to Renova's commitment to transforming the mundane into the magnificent. Experience doesn't end there. From the store you can embark a journey through the museum that winds a way through the historic factory. As you walk along the long corridor, you'll pass through the cave-like passage and leads to the breathtaking waterfall. The hidden gem known as an ascent to Almonda is a natural spring that flows directly through the factory, creating a serene and magical atmosphere. The ascent to Almonda is more than just a beautiful place. It's where the Almonda River begins, and it's also the entrance to the deepest cave system in Portugal. These caves stretch for over 15 kilometers and reach depths of nearly 300 meters. This underground world is a paradise for cave explorers and archaeologists. Over the years, they've uncovered layers of history, from the Stone Age of the late Roman times. One of the biggest discoveries that was 400,000-year-old skull found in the Gruta of Araia. It's the oldest human fossil even found in Portugal. As you walk through the Museum of Renova, the path takes you on a quiet journey through a cave-like corridor. Eventually you arrive in a hidden waterfall, surrounded by mostly rocks and greenery. It's peaceful and calm, the perfect contrast in a working factory just steps away. The factory itself is built around the river source, making it a living, breathing part of a production process. It's not just industrial, it's poetic. The caves beneath have even revealed an ancient human remains, adding a layer of mystery to the history of the site. Now it's time to talk about the architecture. The Renova store and theater was designed by Feed Architectura, led by the architect Paula Henrik Durau. Their vision was to create a time-capturing machine, a space that embodies the flow of time and light. The design plays with contrast. The exterior features raw steel while the interior bursts the vibrant color. little journey comes to the end. I hope you enjoyed it as much as we did. If you are planning a trip to Portugal, make sure to visit this unique spot. Renova is so much more than a paper factory. It's a wonderful blend of creativity, nature and history, all wrapped into one unforgettable experience. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel and tap the bell so you don't miss the next adventure. Thanks for watching and see you soon, bye.